I took piano when I was younger, but life has a way of moving quickly, and unfortunately, over the years, I lost sight of my musical interests. When I started working remotely, I had to walk past my piano on the way to my office space every day. I feel like sometimes what you need most in your life is right in front of you. The last few years were tough on everyone. Piano was a creative outlet that helped me through. The challenge of mastering a technical piece forced me to slow down. Now I'm more aware of how fortunate I am. Practicing gratitude is just as important as practicing my music. With all the loss these past few years, I guess you could say that the greatest thing I gained was a new perspective.